We're looking at the questions show that sine 180 minus a is equal to sine a. And then the second one, cos 180 minus a is equal to minus cos a. We have to show. Okay, let's see how we can do that. For the first one, the only thing we can do is just to remember our sine a plus b, which is equal to what? Sine a cos b, then plus cos a sine b. So that's what we're going to apply. So therefore, sine 180 minus a will be equal to what? Sine 180 cos a. Then minus is here, so that will be plus cos 180 sine a. Okay, let's check that. Sine 180 sine 180 will be equal to 0. Sine 180 is 0, so this one is automatically gone. So that's gone. 0 times cos a. So we have this. And then cos 180. Cos 180 is minus 1. Cos 180 is minus 1. Cos 180 is minus 1. Sorry for the slip of pen. This one is minus. Minus is here. Okay, that's minus. Okay. So here also, let's make it to be conform to the formula to the problem. Let's make it to be the same with the formula minus. So this also will be minus. Will be minus. Let's make it to conform to the problem. So sine 180 is 0, and then cos 180 is minus 1. So our answer will equal to what? This is minus 1 sine a. And that's equal to what? Sine a. So that one is done. Okay, let's look at the part B. Cos 180 minus a. Okay, equal to, let's see, that will be equal to what? Cos 180 cos a. When you're dealing with cos, the sign will alternate. That will be plus, and that will be sine 180 sine a. It's always cos, sine. Okay, and then cos 180 is minus 1, so this will be equal to what? Minus cos a. Sine 180 is 0, so it's 0 times this one, that's 0. So this is the answer without wasting time. Okay, more questions? Yeah, let's look at this question. You can see here, simplify sine 40 cos 30 minus cos 40 sine 30. Okay, and also this one, cos 50 cos 60 minus sine what? Sine 50 cos 60. The thing is this: you can't do trigonometry is very important in trigonometry, and that's what we're going to apply. We're going to apply the addition formulae. Okay, if you missed the video for the addition formulae, please quickly go there and watch the video again. Watch the video. Okay. So if you look at this one, this number one, you realize that the 40 sine and sine cos are alternating: sine cos sine. Okay, and the value also are also alternating: 40 30 40 30. Okay, so without wasting time, number one will just be just one line. It is sine 40 minus 10. Is sine 40 minus 10. That's that. And that will give me sine 10. That's sine 10. That's sine 10. Because sine 40, sine 40 minus 10 will give me sine 40 cos 30. Okay, then minus cos 30, cos 40 sine 30. So that's that on that. Number two, I will try to Note that before I do the final conclusion on that, note that cos A plus B is equal to cos A, cos B, and then the sign will change. Will reverse. That will be minus sine A, sine B. So in that case now, you're having cos 50, cos 60, and then minus. So this number 2 will just be equal to cos 50 plus 60. Yeah, that's it. It's cos 50 plus 60, which is cos 50, which is cos 50 cos 60. Then the sign will change, sine 50 sine 60. So that's that, and that will give you cos 110. So that's the value for that. Yeah, another one on the simplify cos 40, cos 30, and then cos 40 sine 30. You can also see that this also is alternating. This is alternating. This is cos. This is sine. So number one solution will be equal to this cos, and you have plus there. That means your angle will be what? Will be equal to cos something minus. Minus is already established. But whatever you have there will be opposite to that. Okay. Then you have 40. That will be 40 minus what? Minus 30. That's 40 minus 30, and that's what? That's cos 10. Cos 10, the first one. The second one, you have sine cos sine. That's very simple. The second one, that will be sine 150 plus 160, and that's equal to sine 310. Okay, so that's that. More questions? For the first one, sine 30 plus tan 30 plus tan 40. Straight away, that will be equal to what? That one will be equal to this one, 30 plus 40. That's tan 30 plus 40, and that's what? Tan 70. That's the answer to that one. Okay? That's the answer to that one. Tan 32 plus tan 40. This one will be equal to, this one is, look at what will happen. It's minus here. So this will be equal to, this one will be equal to tan 60 minus 30. Tan 60 minus 30. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Let me check that question. I think there is something wrong there. There's something wrong there. How did I know? This is minus, this must be positive. Okay, so that's just that. So in the question, yeah, this is positive. I know that this is positive. Yeah, if this is minus, this must be opposite of that. Okay, so so that will be tan 30 minus that. So and that's what tan 30. That's tan 30. Okay, and tan 30 is we can get the value opposite of that's 1 over 3. 1 over 3. 1 over 3. Okay. 1 over 3. Cos A minus B is equal to cos square A minus sine square B. So this is what we are told to do. Show that cos A plus B times cos A minus B is equal to this. Okay. What we are going to do is very simple. That will be equal to cos A plus B. We know is what? We know that cos A plus B is what? Cos A, cos B, then minus sine A, sine B. We know that, and then the second one is cos A, cos B plus sine A, sine B. Okay, so that's what we have. Okay, I want to say, if you missed the video on the beginning of this, on these the additional formulae please go and watch the video. Okay, all these has been explained in total, has been explained in depth. Okay, so this is what we have now. And if you look at this expression and this expression, you realize that they are the same thing. The only thing we have there is just this alternating sign. Minus is here, plus is here, and that is the difference of 2 squared. And that will give us cos A, cos B squared minus sine A, sine B squared. Okay, and this will give me cos squared A, cos squared A, cos squared B minus sine squared A, sine squared B. Okay, but if you look at what can we do now? What can we do now? And sine squared A. So what we're going to do, this will be cos squared A. This is not part of the target. We're going to make substitution for that, and that will be 1 minus what? Sine squared B. Okay? Then minus. This one also is not part of the target of the final answer. We'll make substitution for that. That's 1 minus what? Cos. 1 minus cos squared A into bracket sine squared B. So let's expand that. So that will be equal to cos squared A. Cos squared A times 1, that's cos squared A, minus cos squared A times sine squared A, that's cos squared A, sine squared B. Here also, this one, sine squared B times 1 times minus, that's minus sine squared B. And then minus times minus, that's plus cos squared B times cos squared A. That will be cos squared A and then sine squared B. So here is negative, here is positive. So this one cancel out. And then we're able to prove that. And that gives us cos squared A minus sine squared B. So that is proved. We prove it. We prove it. Sure. It is shown. Okay. So the thing is this. When you're watching video on mathematics, you need to have your pen. Okay. Take your pen, take your paper or your book, your working sheet, and begin to work along with the video. Okay. So the more you are doing that, the more it sinks to your brain and it became part of you. Okay. Don't just be watching alone, but also be working along with the video. Okay. Please, if you are new on the channel, please hit the subscription bell so that as we upload, you get notification. Okay. We'll still continue on trigonometry. Join me for the next video.